What is up, guys? Welcome to another day in the vlog. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day, and as you guys can tell, this is my trailer. Today is actually gonna be just after the 1-year anniversary of me living in a trailer. Obviously before that I was living in a van, but you know what, I just kind of wanted to give you guys an update on how everything is. Honestly, I've come to grow accustomed to living in this place, and at times I've even thought that it was a little too big for myself. That's actually why this normally slept 9 people, and I took out the master bedroom and I took out the queen bed that's normally right there, put in a 60-inch 4K TV, full surround sound around the entire trailer. And this full surround sound is actually really cool because it is not Dolby, it's not Dolby Digital, it's not Dolby Digital Plus, but it's actually Dolby Digital Plus Atmos, which is the best surround sound that you can buy actually at this time. So it's cool to have like the latest and greatest stuff, and honestly, like, doing a couple modifications and stuff, you kind of see that there's slightly a mess, but I'm in the middle of a couple cleaning chores and stuff. I got this nice couch right here. It's actually for free on Craigslist. Obviously I fully sanitized this, and it was way before quarantine and all that stuff, so I don't have to worry about anything like that. These were pillows that I brought from the van that I had. Obviously I have everything controlled by Alexa. Everything is, you can have her play music, do all that different things. And over here I put in a window air conditioning unit right in there, which I can have her turn it on and off. Watch. Alexa, turn on the window air conditioning. And it comes on just like that. Alexa, turn off the window air conditioning. And it goes off like that. So we have this one seat right here. This normally was a couch. There's a full double couch that laid into bed, and I still wanted that possibility, so I put in this little table, and that can just come up at any time if I ever want to use it as like an actual trailer. Built this table from scratch right here. This table I actually built using wood that I found out of a dumpster, which was kind of interesting. This is the dishwasher I purchased for $200. Best purchase ever, because that was one of the things that I absolutely hated about living in a trailer, was having to wash all the dishes. I found this really nice system where I basically put everything in the sink, soak it with water, put a little soap in the water, and then I just throw it right in the dishwasher with another soap pod, and it fully just cleans everything, and I don't have to worry about that. Coming over on this side of the trailer, nothing's really changed here. Everything's pretty much the same. I mean, I have this big book collection now that I've never really read. And coming over here, I got my nice stove. Everything's all clean, all nice. And what else have I done? This is obviously the master bed. This is where I sleep. It's not what it's supposed to be like right now. Normally there's sheets on it. It's over there in the hamper actually. Need to put them back on, so that's why everything's like that. This is the top bunk bed I've just been using for storage, extra clothes, like all that type of stuff. Now moving over here to the bathroom. You see that everything's still in good shape. Actually, I replaced the curtain. This used to be an old ratty trailer curtain, and I put a double liner thing, fits right in. Everything's perfect, and honestly I like it for the dandier. And now that you've seen my trailer, that's what everything is. This thing is, it's awesome. I mean, I have obviously the air conditioning in the window. I have this other air conditioning unit right here on the top, so for those really hot days, you just throw it on both of them and you're good to go. And obviously there's the heater. I'm like completely set in this trailer, and I'm saving a lot of money being able to just, you know, live life. I mean, you guys even see that I have a couple goats. Look, there's Bambi right there. Bambi's just chilling under the table. And I have another one, Mo. Mo is, I don't know where Mo is. Mo's usually just wandering around eating. Thank you so much for checking in on this little update. I hope you guys liked today's video, and you've been liking all the content that I've been dropping lately, because, I mean, if you guys don't already know, I've gone daily. Please make sure to subscribe if you want to check out those videos. Other than that, please leave a comment down below if there's something cool you want me to do, or if you want to hang out, or let's do something. Alright guys, with nothing left to say, I'll see you in the next one. I guess it's time to end it.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love, and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this.